Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ikon Maruf Santoso. With my student ID is 5025231178. Uh, Today I'm gonna present my homework for analyze bad UI on a mobile web app. And the web app I choose is lionair.co.id. Before we go to overview. This report usability analysis for the Lion Air website, focusing on critical relationship between affordance and signifiers. The goal of this study is to identify design flaws where visual clues, signifiers fail to communicate the actual function affordance of the interface. By documenting this conflict, this analysis aims to highlight how poor UI design can increase cognitive load and cause frustration to passengers during the flight booking process. Okay, that's for the overview. Let's go to screenshot number one, bad UI number one. So in the number one, it's like a promotional banner. The affordance is this banner is actually clickable like this, but and function to navigate user to specific promotion detail. And the signifier is, however, it look like a static image or uh, say image or a background decoration, something like that. The problem is because there are no clear visual cues like a book now button, users may not realize the interactive. This a missed opportunity for user engagement, something like that. And for bad UI number two is confirm button captcha, and like this, I circling in this. The affordance is the red button is used to submit data and process, and the signifiers it reminds bright red, which typically red is signal and active state. The problem is this false signifiers because the button is look ready to click, but the action is actually locked until the captcha is filled. So you can see like this is the red. If you not fill the captcha, is possible to can click this button, but it's not gonna work. Okay, lanjut for number three. Bad UI number three is fair rule pop up. It's mean to provide readable. Uh, it's like a rule for this flight. Like it's mean for the affordance to provide a readable ticket condition for the passengers. The signifiers instead the content is displayed in raw messy system terminal code. It's like if you push the button is uh, muncul ferrule like this, but the problem is this is a conflict signifier. Uh, it promises information for humans but delivers raw machine raw machine data is this is unintelligible unintelligible is not for humans. To regular user is still don't know what is it. And bad UR number four is a detail text icon. You can see is a drop down button. The other then is the black arrow is function to expand the text cost detail. The black arrow icon is a universal sign for drop down element. The problem is in the reality the icon is often unresponsive or very hard to click. Uh, this is decides the user interaction expectation, cause like I said before, it must a drop down text. But if you uh click the button, is it's gonna show displayed tax detail, but sometimes it's not cannot active or so hard to click. And the last, my bad UI is this Lion Air logo. What is problem is the affordance. The logo is the function as navigation button to return home page. The signifier, however, is just a brand image without any home labels or visual cue suggestion. Is it clickable? And the problem is, this is a hidden affordance. Like I said before, it's non-tech savvy for users may not realize this logo is a link, forcing them to look for non-existent home button. This is not good for users. They don't know how to back to the home landing page, but like I said before, in this note, they don't have a home button or border or something like that to back to landing page, something like that. Okay, that's for me. The conclusion is this example show conflict between a Affordan X signifier and to website lionair.co.id is lead to a poor user experiments for a website like Lion Air, uh, and it's not a human readable data, is not human readable. Data are essential to guide the user effectively. uh, I think that's it for me. Thank you for the attention.